Santa Maria High School Robotics Club educates students with a STEM curriculum via project-based learning, encouraging participation in various academic competitions.
What our kids are doing is one of the latest projects or programs that we're introducing. This is part of the UTRGV HESTEC program, which has the Green Power F24 race car. And so our kids are basically assembling the car, which as you can imagine, we have the science behind it, the engineering behind it. It's an electric car, which we really like because it's relevant to what's happening today. And so the kids are going to assemble the car. We have a big race at the end of April out at the Brownsville Airport. And basically it's an endurance race, who can finish most laps in 90 minutes before their batteries run out. What we're trying to do is have them meet as often as they can in their spare time. So this isn't necessarily a classroom activity, but it's extracurricular. And whatever time that they have, somebody will come in, assemble a tire, assemble a bolt. Any little piece will help us get the final product. But then the team has to come up, if you can imagine all the strategy that goes into a NASCAR race. They're going to have to figure out who are the drivers. It's a little bit of everything. So obviously the team does need to cooperate. They all need to talk to each other to figure out what is yet to be done or what is going to be done. When we go into the actual race, once our car is actually running, then that's actually where I get to talk to them about, you know, when we talked about physics, when we talked about momentum and heat distribution and thermodynamics, they actually get to see that in place because they're going to have to deal with the heat. They're going to have to try to figure out, well, how do I cool this motor that's overheating? Because the longer we run in our Texas heat, the hotter it gets. The hotter it gets, guess what? Performance goes down. And that's what we talk in class. So they're actually going to have a project where they get to see that up front. And to me, that's really great. That is really neat. And not only that, they get to think outside the box. It's like, okay, guys, once we have this in place, we have the design, how do we get the aerodynamics? As you can tell, there's no shell around the car. Well, we can't run a race like that. There's too much wind resistance. And so all these different things factor into one great project that they're working on.
The Santa Maria Robotics program is starting. This car, F24, is powered by UTRGV and HESTEC. This is the first time it's introduced in the Valley and introduced to Santa Maria as well. This is very different from everything we do around campus. So it's a really awesome experience and it's a lot of fun. Mr. Kazan is a really good role model, really good example. He knows exactly what to do when something's wrong, so we can go to him at any time.
And not only is it the engineering part, not only is it the mechanical part, I also have kids coming up with a design for our shirts. Part of the competition is to showcase, this is our car, this is how we designed it. And so all of a sudden we got different personalities and different attributes that they need to display. And again, they decide, do I go into sales or marketing, engineering? What do I want to do? Here at Santa Maria, we recognize that STEM is huge. It has a big, significant impact in the world, and we want our kids to be a part of it. So in any shape or form that we can introduce these challenges, these programs, these projects, whether it's Lego Robotics, a Navy Sea Perch, or now this Green Power race car, we want our kids to experience what it can be like and what their future could be like through the success of participating in these programs. We as a school want our kids to be career ready, college ready, life ready, and we find that these experiences, if we can do it well and execute well and keep increasing the challenges every year, we know they're going to be successful, and that's what we stand for.
Santa Maria ISD Robotics Club will continue to inspire students to pursue STEM-related fields and encourage teamwork in an interactive, hands-on learning environment. For more information on Santa Maria Independent School District, call 956-565-6308 or log on to smisd.net.